sir. You already know what it is. Dang, I'm so excited for this. Holy, that's a big boy. I just got IRL's brand new 4-inch catless downpipes, and I'm so excited to install these. So make sure to stay tuned, because they're gonna go on this bad boy here. Full IRL catback exhaust. I already have the IRL catless resonated 3-inch downpipe, but they just came out with the new 4-inch downpipe, so we gotta install that one. And I'm so excited. I literally can't wait. I hope. I mean, I've heard sound clips. It should change the sound by a good amount. It's already stupid loud, but I'm kind of scared to how loud it's gonna be. But from the sound clips that I've heard, it should change the sound to like better. It sounds like way different than the 3-inch resonated. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll get some sound clips in front of the shop, some flybys before I install everything, and then after the install. Should be really sick. It's a nice little overcast day, but still like, we have so many wildfires here right now, so it's still like kind of smells bad, and you can't really like see a lot of the mountains. It's like so bad, so hopefully that will stop soon, because we had so many wildfires this year. It's kind of crazy. Yikes. If I was gonna make this, but I guess I'm not. But yeah, like a few minutes late, but that's okay. I always feel weird with like that DJI camera on my hat, but it is what it is. Better than having a camera in my face the entire time. But yeah, we'll see. I should be there just in time. The car's gonna be hot, but that's just how it's gonna be. I'm not sure how long it's actually gonna take them to install the downpipe. So I hope that my guy Nicholas is gonna pick me up, so I don't have to sit there and watch them and wait. like beat on it until it's like actually warmed. But yeah, man, I got lucky with the downpipe because I knew they were coming out with it, but I didn't like realize they had like pre-orders out. So I reached out to the owner of IRL and asked them if there's any way that they can send me one out to have it before Bimmer Invasion, so I can promote it there for them. And he said, give me a few minutes or a day. I think next day he's like, yep, we have one, we're shipping it out to you today to you. So then I shipped it out on Wednesday from Chicago and just got here today, and I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. I might ship out my ECU to Femto, but I was trying to get a company that does Femto unlocks in LA to do it in person, because I'm low-key kind of scared to ship it out and have it be lost, even though it's pretty safe and secure, like insured and all that, but still, you never know. But yeah, ideally I would like to do it in person in LA. I was hoping Femto would be there, and when I reached out to them, they're like, yeah, we're not gonna be in LA, which kind of sucks. But they have like a few shops there, so Femto gave me like a big discount to do it, but I'm just scared to ship it out. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a baby, but yeah. So we'll see. I hope I will hear back from that shop on Monday. I talked to them, and then they told me to call them, and then I was supposed to get a call back on Friday. Never heard back. So I'll just reach out on Monday one more time if I don't hear anything back, or if they don't want to do anything like together as a collab on Instagram, then I'll just ship it out to Femto, because then it is what it is. Unless, oh my gosh, I need to raise that front. Ugh, every time I scrape, it's too low. Oh, Mustang, stay away, bro. I don't know, I'm just not a Mustang guy. I don't think I ever will be. I really like the C8 Z06, and obviously like everyone else, the Z01, Z01X, but it's just like expensive. But the Z06 is actually like not that much more. So it will be cool, but also, I don't know, I like the BMWs, I like the platform. I'm still enjoying this car. I only had it for a couple months. So we'll see. Like why are you trying, like, I'm not sure what her mission was, but that's fine. I'm so tired. Went to midnight oil last night, and I didn't really get home until like 1:30, and I didn't fall asleep until like 2-ish, and I had to get up at like 7-ish. So I'm like cooked, so tired. But it was fun, it was a good time. Did a little cruise with my buddy in his R6 GT, which he got a bunch of stuff done on it, like interior stuff, which looks insane at night. It's so good. So yeah, we'll see. He might swing by, but yeah. I got a funny comment yesterday or so in one of the videos. It's like, you have this sick BMW and you drive it like a Toyota Corolla. I'm like, yeah, bro. Like, I'm not trying to go to jail or something. drive it fast when I can, when it's safe, but I'm not gonna be stupid, like drive it like an idiot in traffic. I'm sorry if that's the type of content you're looking for, then that's not something I'm gonna be uploading. At least for now, I guess. Probably never, honestly. Like, I don't know. It's like, I have a family, I have kids, like, I wanna be safe. I wanna have fun to a degree, but I'm not out here trying to die or something. Or like cause like issues. So I'm just gonna here have a good time. Like maybe eventually down the road I'll film more like car meet stuff, but as of right now, like that's way too awkward. It's already like way too awkward when people come up to me at car meets and ask me, hey, are you just a German youth on Instagram? Is that you? I'm like, yeah. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But it's always nice meeting people. Like most of the people are super cool. Like in person, everyone is like really nice. Online, you see some idiots, especially on YouTube. You get some stupid comments. But I mean, I'm all about it. Like, leave a comment, man. It's only gonna help me grow and push it to the algorithm. Like one video, like one of my first videos got like 20 something thousand views on YouTube, which I think is pretty good. Like pretty crazy for how tiny my account is. And he just kept arguing with me in the comments. I kept commenting back just to like have them comment back some crap, which I guess helped a lot with the algorithm. So yeah, I always appreciate a comment. If it's a good one, awesome. If it's a stupid one, hey man, I'm all about it. So yeah, you're not gonna offend me. Almost there. It's like a few more minutes. Just a few more minutes. Okay, holy crap. Why are we driving so slow? Big ass line. Yeah, blue Nissan. I don't know, a 350, 370Z, whatever, all kind of the same. But this tunnel is actually kind of crazy. Like, this is like pretty long, long bridge under, it's like pretty good size too. When you go through it, man, it's so loud. It's ridiculous. This movie, ugh. Before I go into the shop, I gotta pull out outside of the shop and get some flybys before and then get some after. Man, it's hot as shit, 101 degrees. Set my camera and stuff up here. Put it here in the shade. It looks like that's a good spot. And we'll go from there.